morning, good afternoon now. So I'm so busy for morning. Good morning, happy Friday. Sorry for just come on, I know it's my little business season. I know I'm kind of busy, so I just get a little break and dally up and come. And I soon come off of the live. Come here, wait for Miss Paula for me and I go somewhere. I like them people in there.
Good day.
Yes, good day. Wanna still read Nita? Oh, we don't step long to come in come and pay my online. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So I go and plan carnation. On JPS man, I see I walk and go in a people yard. You know, say get up people not feel like them. You don't know, say most get up people not feel like them.
They're not smarty.
Yeah, there. My one up to date. My pay online. No, me I tell you say mine up to date. Yeah. My walk and look. And you're looking just the blessings. Just the blessings. So like him ask somebody for somebody. And I people boy and I answer your papa. Then your people and I get to not tell JPS when nobody live. Yeah. To God be the glory, great things He have done. Happy Friday, my Plancatarians. I'm feeling blessed and highly favored. Put on my glass car. Yes. Shades of pound today. So what going on in the system? What's going on in our day today Friday? What's going in our day? The month of somebody will ask me if I have that glass here sell. I want to buy that glass here. I don't remember if I in Burlington, I think I in Burlington. For $9.99, yeah. In Burlington. Everybody asks me if I have it a sell. Well, I mean I have that skirt here sell. So nobody asks me for it. I have different top, but not the skirt. I buy them for myself online. Anyway, what's cooking, my darling Plancatarians? To God be the glory. Today is Friday. You know, Christmas season I come up and get some decoration put up. Oh God. Yes. And I'm just happy. I'm give God thanks for that. You know, I want to know how food day I go. In my neck of the woods, sun is shining. The place clean and nice and the flowers them are bloom. Hold on. Yeah. So well rested. The glass I make me can't to see the fine writing. Me I feel pull forward. Oh God, I get my mannequin. I show no her. Show no the nanny body. So the nanny body will have to put on the clothes there and set them up. Big bottom and broad waist. Voila! Voila! I should get a plus size one though. See all of the fat dolly them. Now I use it to take picture upon her so when I set out something. I should have a big plus size one for the fat people them though. Don't it plankers. Come stand up yourself. Dana daughter. Stand right over my head. Stand, stand right over my head. What do this snap? Alright, we must get to the candid moment. Watch hips now. I want this right here, so. I don't know what that. Let me move it out of social media. Let me turn her side because she little bit on too much. Human being have so much. And she have so much. No. Lord have mercy, Jesus. If you're not busy, come at 99. She full of shape. She blessed. And someone not blessed so. Well, what a piece of panic mental going in America. Somebody call me and ask me if them for come home. Somebody when me know, I say, but you have a question. You can ask me that. If them for come home. All me know, last time I posted a video on CBS News that the judge declined. Everybody knows that Trump not gone in a power yet, but them a judge right here now. I work under Trump saying. So even if Trump not step in, them a judge and all the police them and everybody I work and only come like uno just in a social media. My daughter tell me something this man on some page when me see look pan. Uno just attack and I just a chat on the mouth and not do no research. You see some state in America, I don't want to call out no state name. The people them are rejoice and are gloat. The police them are ready. Trump are going to give the police them 100% to take anybody question them and deport them. Send them a detention center. I'm going to build up. The man said I'm going to build up a much detention center. Quick detention center for all them. Illegal people, I don't know about now, but as of January when Trump step in, you can't go on plane again, go from one state to the other. Because the border them, they deport them. Deport them, I go start wall and pound and turn on the back. If you don't have your proper papers, don't go jump say you fly from New York to Atlanta. Because at this so them I go hold enough for uno. So don't make nobody tell you no go do no own research and listen to the people them attack. And I know your thing. If you Trump, him is a most I think them if you no do no studies as my daughter tell me this morning. All of the things them what Trump say him I go do when him go in a power, him always do it. So right now the man coming like him a come with blood in a eye. Him a go come in with blood in her eye right now. For illegal people. Whether you go over and overstay, Whether your entry was legal or you overstay, or whether you go there seek asylum. All of who wait upon date and them something, them a revoke them. Me say my daughter, true, I'm there on the phone here. My daughter send me something for me go watch. The white supremacist people, them will love Trump. And enough Jamaican people and enough black Americans that go with Trump toe to toe. My daughter make me see that this morning. Jamaican will left you go America go get migrants like myself, yeah. A cheerleader with Trump. Remember, you know, if I never feel them mama and papa take them up in America, or they run off, or then go through border, then couldn't get them stay. And same how them go, them a turn against them one fellow Jamaican. If you go look on it, you don't see it. You hear me tell you now? My daughter send me and tell me if you look on it, mommy, look at these. And then you'll talk something else. The people, them, the black people, them are sell out. All them family members were there. It's like them the American, them turn Americanized. They don't remember them roots. I say some of them know over there farm fool of themselves. And nothing come. But let me tell you now. All along when we live down in Florida, and you hear about the Santos, this and the Santos that, and people did run scared. Let me tell you now, a time now for people run scared. And on a guilt thing, the man make a oath to the people, the man him have to fulfill it to the American them. We want to get rid of black people and say their country Lego and bust we like pie. So I just tell all of you, try get to yourself sort out. Everything I go start take longer. Might be me never have to wait 19 months for Joshua, might be 4 years. Because all of the policies them are going to change. Yeah? You know what? My handbag? Okay, come. Oh, I'm money where am I seeing? And I school bag? Yeah, I see money where am I seeing? Put it in a room, but in a sock my money where am I seeing? Yeah. And Chashi, I don't pay no money and Tina find it. So I tell her, I say, I look money where am I saving money. Yeah, it's going to be hard. You see when me I listen this morning, I sit down and I listen. I drive and I put it on a Bluetooth and I listen. What the people them a say. Then tired of the people migrant them immigrant them in their country. Them a talk about the cartel them who are going to people's house. I never even know that I go in America. And I hold people hostage and I demand money from people and I shoot people. The people them that lick out against that. So nobody feel say I only Good morning. Eh?
Oh, German around this.
German? Yeah. Oh, yeah, new postman.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. Yes. Our man, this I come down from my bicycle. I never see a postman. Actually, I'm going in bag now and take out later. So I have to open up my eye and look who come towards me. Understand? I have to look if I God, must only that watch when I saw Auntie Dana look bad, so. Boy, yes, I have no uniform, so I come now. I see my going at the bag now. Can't you see take off the bag and I go in there? And so I open up my eye. Oh, my face did I go? Come down now. Oh, my face did I go? No, sir. Oh, my face did I go planka? For a barn. I am so nice. Yeah. So, this is one of the main reasons why so many people who have never voted go out there go vote against Kamala. Immigration status of people and the country. But to be honestly speaking, my daughter said, Mommy, she said, Mommy, to be honestly speaking, the country needs to curb with the immigration, but not how Trump do it. By force and by threatening. You understand? Because she said, let me tell you, more than ever now, people are come through the border. The border them open up like a sea. Where people can walk in, drive in, go through water, come in all kind of way. But it's not so, how him a do it, him fi do it. You understand? So, so we can't bother with it. So no, to be honest, and I don't want to no panic and stuff like that. But to be honest, guys, she said the country need for curb. But I know so it might come with brute force and harsh treatment. It not come with nothing pretty. So more than likely when he pass the law, police are gonna have right now. If you just stop you, can I see your documents? Can I know your status? What's your name? And right away, because the law I go in a feed them and he might go sign it in a feed them and they might go have right away for lock you up in a country illegally because it are going to now become a crime. And if he take you out of the country and you find back your way at 10 years prison, people outside Trump, if him take you out of the country and you find your way back in America, you are going to prison for 10 years. 10 years you are going to prison for. The man a come with blood in his eye. God know. Nobody no safe. Not even green card holder. Right now, them good to make all a life. You're a citizen in America and you commit certain crime, although it did in already. If you have your citizenship, then you can revoke it. Yeah. Right now, them the feel them are come with a lie. If you're a citizen in America, you commit certain crime. And you get your citizenship, then you can revoke it. You can do. Hello?
Dana, you get and call Raga.
Raga,
I
the
can't question him.
I remember see if me get him.
Because me give my stuff with them, you know, me have
No, but you're there on the live, you know,
say.
you're there on the live. Let me see if me get Raga.
Alright.
Cause remember, say me no immigration lawyer, you know, everybody have reach out and message me. To come on. Raga, I think Raga the gone on in trip, you know. Raga, remember, say the chop no pass some of the law them yet, you know. So if the mafia working right in place, no. Remember, I no pass no law yet, like no writing on paper, because I'm not going to office. And people just a panic. And the journalists, them and the people, them must say, Raga supposed to be one country. Right now, you see, there's someone who go America. In America, for 20, 30 years, you don't start out on yourself. But they feel long, a time now for no wise up. I don't get him, you know. And I call him personal number. Let me try the next number. Right, and Raga now do no free answering. A calling call, a pay him have to pay, one have to pay for him talk. Alright, I know him phone busy. Raga now no free answer work, him a work. So anybody want to call him, you don't have no money to pay him before he start talk. He will call me back, because him two phone a ring. I don't know if him there on live. People are panic. People is panicking. So when remember when you call Ragashanti, guys, it's not about it's not about freeness. I think in that one African country. When I remember if I gone, I'm gone away. So he will call me back. Anytime you see me calling him, call me back. But you know, set up an appointment with him. Set up an appointment with him and talk to him. Hello?
Donna, yeah.
Yeah.
What you're saying is so true, and I'm glad that you did it because a lot of people don't know that. You say, for instance, you obtain your citizenship, right? And say, for instance, you get arrested, just like to even go in our store and pick up people, walk out of the store with a sunglasses or a T-shirt and you were arrested. And it's been like 6, 7, 10 years. And when you're going for your citizenship and you don't disclose that, and say for instance, and give them the chance to even say, okay, we're going to give you a break and give it to you. And if they go down the line and you have your citizenship like for 10, 11, 8 years, and they go
Good
back and see that,
morning.
they can revoke your citizenship because in the reason for the citizenship is good moral conduct. That mean what you did, the stealing of even a sunglasses or a T-shirt, and you went to jail. That
Oh, me a
doesn't.
come too.
That
Yeah,
doesn't.
man.
Hold on
That
there,
yeah.
knock it. Hold on there. Yeah, look at the body, me see I come here, so me have to you. Hold on.
Just try to look it down.
Wait, Lord Jesus. Hold on there, sir. Straight up, see, sir now.
Yeah, man.
I want to book it this?
Yeah, so before you get them out,
Alright.
you didn't pay 50 yet.
No, see, I go pay you.
Oh,
Yeah, she responded to me for pay.
yeah, but you have my bucket.
Hold on. Tina! Are you our cousin?
My wife.
Oh. Yeah, she have the money for pay. I deal with her already. Tina! Let's pick the door.
Yeah, man. You know, I see they did full right up. I shake, but they come from the
Oh, it's shaped.
Yeah.
Tina! 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 Come here, fresh! I don't know your bucket them. What kind of car that park nobody now, come on. Fresh!
No, no, it's typical of
Come
everybody
here!
now.
When you start just up for Christmas.
Yeah. Come, take up this thing and give them a nice bucket. You know? Woman want to cook you.
Welcome, Chief.
Yeah, yeah, 4 buckets for me now.
Yeah, yeah, hi, Chief.
One just come on.
What do
Oh,
you want about the bucket then?
one
Show them in
just
a
come.
map. Yeah, see it.
We have them ready?
You have cheer in the room of the line.
Yeah,
Yeah, Donna.
yeah. A Jamaica
That's
this,
the
as me
call.
have so much people who threaten my life, they will send people here for me.
I
A
know. I
foreign who
don't blame
threaten
you.
my life.
You know, I always tell you
Them,
that to be
everybody
careful.
tell me, say,
Yeah,
I sit down here, so me for open up my eye and look.
yeah,
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 Paula.
yeah, yeah.
Fine.
Yeah. Yeah, me that call fresh. If I ask you if you know the man bucket them.
We put them around the one side.
Oh. Yeah, not kill it. Sorry about that. Yeah.
Yeah,
I know
You
you're
want give
fine.
me
it's
water
okay.
for me, Tina. You want a water?
What? Yeah, we keep the water.
Oh.
But if you have some water, I'm not going to refuse it.
Alright, give me water then. Yeah.
I'm going to refuse it.
Go
Yeah, so that's
again.
what they consider like a good
Remember, I'm
moral
not live here
conduct
again in a
that you gotta
planka shop.
show.
Hold on. Somebody I say, if
Yeah,
me not afraid like me afraid, but me I gotta keep my eye open. If me
yeah, you
out
have to
here
be
I do life,
aware.
me I gotta be beware of what me surrounding. And see
Aware of
what,
your
you know, see them wicked
surroundings.
people in a phone. You know, see
Mm-hmm.
what them I do. So me have to open
Just
me eye when,
checking.
I mean, one out
Yeah.
here, you know, fresh now in here, hang on my camera them I work. So if me see a car I pull up on my gate and it tilt up like how this tilt up, me I go open up my eye and look after me no idiot I get on my grow. Oh. Yes, go ahead now,
Yeah.
Natalie.
Yeah, and so a lot of people, and then they obtain their citizenship in that manner. They
Yeah.
can go back and somebody say, you know what, something can happen. Of course, And they go back and say, but they didn't disclose that they were arrested for shoplifting 8, 9 years ago. Boom, your citizenship revoked and you immediately get deportation. No, nothing. Immediately.
Yeah, close to
Good moral
100.
conduct. That's what it's called. That's what people, before they get their citizenship, they need to read every fine print, everything.
Yes.
You know, everything that you're saying, what your daughter is saying is true. Every state is different, and now it's making it that no matter where, what state you're in, remember, I know the Supreme Court give him full control over everything. Immunity, he can send out the police them and tell them, go get that one. And you see what he said? Every year it's going to be 1 million until he leave. 1 million. Then don't have anything to prove anymore, no, because it is his last term. He cannot run again. So he's coming with a vengeance. With a vengeance. So all you people who is over here thinking that you should get an attorney, do not speak to anyone. Get a legal immigration attorney. See if you put the money on the love like the big old Gucci bag, when not legal, but on a Gucci bag, Louis Vuitton bag.
Well, on them,
Get an
me take off
attorney.
that demon your picture on Adam's from my page. Alright, go ahead.
Yeah, see if
That's all I worry on,
stop
you
doing
know.
all.
Money I worry on.
Yeah,
Me no know anybody,
stop doing
everybody
all
a
of
talk
that.
about Trump and you left your all grey back, wet up, piss up self. Come over here, so I tell me, say me I go make mad money over here because me an immigration lawyer. So me can discuss topic.
See ya.
Look how much of the American bloggers them and born American for YouTube a discuss. Uno all
And I
dirty
don't
scumbag.
pay them no mind, never. That's why they don't know nothing. I've been in this country for 46 years.
Yeah,
That's
go
why I
ahead, yeah.
study
I'm a money I'm
American
mad,
law.
uno feel mad.
America, you got to know the law in this country. There's three um, 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 uh, um, section in America. People don't even know that. You think he can just wind up people and deport them? Number one, he has to put them in a detention place, and that could be years because it was made into law. You guys need to save on the money, stop buying all those expensive stuff. Who like to go to dance and get a right legal immigration attorney. We don't need to do it. Start
And
now
right
before the
now,
end
the
of the year.
immigration
Buy
them and I
dollar.
go full. The
You
immigration them
need to
and I
do
go
it.
full.
Don't listen to nobody who don't know nothing. There's a lot of people don't know nothing about American laws. It's changed every time.
Somebody say I forgot go
All
through
right.
a lot before him can deport. No. The man say as him going, him a go make it mandatory for people who are illegal in America. That
Yeah,
means him
because
a
he's
go
gonna
give the
put them in the
police them
camp. Yeah.
the powers. Remember, say,
Mm-hmm.
you have to go through ISIS. You don't have to go on
Yeah.
a detention center again. You just a chat and you not read, but you have to go through a lot. Go through what? I am my president
Tell
and
them
him say I'm going to give them 100% legal rights to lock up anybody with illegal.
because the Supreme Court gave him that authority there when he did him not go to jail. He can do whatever he wants now. Every president can now in America. The law has changed.
Yeah.
So,
Bless up and
all right,
thanks.
Donna, we talk to you. All right,
Yeah.
then. Bye, Donna.
Yes,
Yeah,
luckily.
bye-bye.
Sorry for the distraction.
That's okay, but I just wanted people to know because, like your daughter is saying, there's a lot of things these people don't know because they don't read the lot this stuff.
True.
Go and look it up on the computer
Let me
instead of
tell you
looking
what
up
with
stupid
Jamaican
things. Go
people.
look up
Let me tell you
stuff.
what with we Jamaican. We just love run with hearsay and
Yes. Get an immigration to get
we just
lawyers.
run love
Lawyers
that one
know
you saw no
everything.
so it got uno no read nothing, uno no go on no website,
Yeah.
uno no
Even
look
with our
on nothing.
bodies. Do they know now that they can tell you when they're going to cut out birth control? Did they know about that? Birth control is no more. Going to be no more. Your daughter, them who don't have children, can be pregnant, can have anybody, kids can have a ectopic pregnancy. You go to the hospital, we will not see you anymore. We send you home. You end up panicking, you're going to bleed out. This is serious, people. This man has done some dangerous things. Wake the hell up. Bye, Donna.
Thank you, Nakilet. The man
Yeah,
said the
bye.
first day I'm going to office, not the second day. I want to sit down over here so lack of knowledge at all. Him have to go through all heap and him have to do. You go see. All me I tell you say, set a foundation. See me there at Jamaica, me I set mine. And me set mine already. Set a foundation. No for I go come back. No for when left here and dash stone behind I go come back. And some of not gonna know where to go. Some of not gonna. Some of you not gonna have nowhere to go. You hear? So no sit down there and talk about him can't do this. I'm just tell you no. This morning one lady called me and she said, oh, Raga either call me back. Raga when I call me back. Thank God. Let me make the man talk, you know, we have knowledge. Raga they are Africa. Morning, morning, bless. Eh? Oh, thanks. Yeah. You know, say him just see that call me. And him good at it. I never, I try not to let them on the phone. I never hear it. So I have to come off my line. Raga, me dep on the live and I call you. That's why I knock somebody they dep on the phone. Let me see if me get him back. Let me see red card, miss card. Hello.
And yeah.
Oh, go on. Yeah. Alright, might be in his phone now. Pick up. He will call me back again. Yes. So make we go back to regular program now. Enough people migrate and done with them country, especially Jamaican. They're not even send $1 back home. Right now, this is not for Jamaican alone. This is not for Jamaican alone. This is for everybody, every country. Somebody said this is how my face did look. Here there, nobody know. Me nah get him. Wait now. People know. Where you see this pan? Fox News. You see them? When you see people them the news them the things them where them put up on Fox. See there? Somebody screenshot it off of them TV. Them are investigate it. People are sent out but let me tell you, some of the whole heap of them are gonna be people who just are being mischievous, are say things and are write things. Oh, I never did pull this morning. Enough of them for slave. Enough of them are going to say things and just run out and we rejoice and happy. And this when you hear people are say, make preparation. When you left Jamaica, lay a foundation and make preparation. Cause remember, you know, how your neighbor tree cut, nobody can turn you back from this. So. Anyway, your neighbor tree cut, nobody can turn you way back from this. So your neighbor tree cut at Jamaica, nobody can turn you away from Jamaica. So we have to understand and we have to speak. My neighbor tree never cut nowhere America. And no found no neighbor tree I saw it cut. And when you go a different place and go like on a neighbor tree cut there. Some of you go for how much years and before you try start out on yourself when it did easy. Some of you may agree, some of you try to start out on yourself and it no work. Yes, some of you try to start out on yourself and it no work. But now, I don't even know if you're not going to get time to start out on yourself. Might be the only one that will get you unlucky and the one that will then paper in a process right now. If you overstay for your visa and then pick you up instant deport, remember, you know, you overstay there work somewhere or so. Instant deport. If you go to America every 6 months for your visa and you spend 5 months, 4 months a year, go back up, they may do that long time. You know the man said this morning, pan him something where him attack. when Donald Trump in a power, right now the immigration status, the embassy them are going to get stricter with giving out visa. So thousands of people are going to go out, 1,000, might be 100 people get for the year. Everything are going to cut back because them are crack down for immigration, especially in a countries, let me make you listen. Especially in a countries, hold on. Especially in some countries where they know so when people come a foreign, they run off. Yes. And then say, my daughter said, when you're swearing, forget your American passport, as other people say too, you are told to always have your certificate, your swearing certificate present whenever or out it needed in any occasion. Not just the passport, the swearing certificate, you have to always have it present. So, people are talking about, people, some of my blogger them just write up. Some of the news reporter them, because I don't listen to no blogger when I know nothing. Some of them just come out, come talk. I don't come say nothing when I don't see on news or I see the link. Hold on. I want to show you, I can listen to one video. But I don't remember which one of the I don't remember which one. Hello? Hello? None of we never expect him to win. You see when time, hold on a second, you see when time Observer put up the something about the immigration status and when next paper put it up, you want to see people that in the comment shop now when him a convict. I remember when Observer pin up the article and say if Trump become president, what go happen? And enough people did that say him now win. America people now vote him in. This one you now vote him in. He now no chance. You understand? So see him win there now. All me I tell everybody, like I myself here, start out to no steer. Hello? Hello? Our phone, your phone not connecting, mama, no my phone. Hold on. Let me see which Wi-Fi there so I connect. Wrong Wi-Fi the pan, that's right now connect. And my Wi-Fi you know. Alright. It's on the right Wi-Fi. Call me back. I want to call what she need to make she talk. Let me see if I can get her. Hello?
I'm kind of morning. Take me off on the live little bit and give you a little story. A little story.
Alright, go ahead. Oh, I'm not depend on that topic then now. I'm not depend on money topic then now. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, somebody said one comedy didn't look for something. I can't take the more money story. I try to listen, I couldn't see the video I watch this morning. Because the phone that I want them, when my daughter send me the my personal phone. Hold on there. And we have to do what to see what to do. Well, all enough for the right now, I put God in everything. And if you don't never did a start save or make no preparation, you don't listen to nobody we talk about them can't get rid of everybody out of America. You hear? No listen to nobody we say Trump can't get rid of everybody. He can't get rid of everybody, but he will get rid of whole heap, and you might be in the whole heap. He can't get rid of everybody, but he can get rid of whole heap, and you might be in the whole heap. Look, if you don't understand what I mean, and that the lady say. Nobody make nobody tell you say, oh, nobody listen to them. Trump can't take out nobody so. And it will cost the country 1 million billion trillion. The phone up now, you can call back. When you can call back, who a call? Good morning. Can't take deeper reading, you know. No, it's going to say Blanca. Well, I read that something one lady send me. Alright, Raga text. He said me can call him back. Because my lady send me a one fear immigration lawyer. Morning,
Yeah.
morning lawyer, morning. Welcome to Planka shop.
You don't know the Blanca Castle.
Well, Raga, good morning. You see what happening in the atmosphere and so many panicking. So many people are saying if you call Raga, forget a little highlight. I mean, know you're there for your holiday, but I want you to assure some of them, you know, please to like up the live, guys. We have Jamaican immigration lawyer Ragashanti, and I'm going to give out him 2 numbers. And make me tell you no, none of him talking, them are not for free. Yeah, one number, one. I usher one number, me fi say. Yeah, me know, man.
I'm on the phone. I'm on the phone. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, go
One,
on.
you come back from your holiday already?
Yeah, man. Me there, man. I'm back from Tanzania. It was
All right.
awesome. It was
So,
absolutely incredible. So I'm back in New York.
all right. So, if you all don't know, Ragashanti is an immigration lawyer based in New York. All right, and he works from all about in America. It costs a fee. When you call him, he will tell you, but it's not for you to call and say, Raga, me want to know this. You have to pay and then him talk. Set up your appointment just like how every other immigration lawyer does. So like up the live, please, and talk. We're going to ask him a couple of questions for Auntie Dana platform.
Right.
Like up the live, guys. Like up the live. I want to send the question to, right, let me have show people number. Like up the live, and you can send the question to this phone. Just couple questions. So first, Mr. Rock, like up the live. If me I go mute the live, and I'm not going to hear me and him talk. No, I want a little likes on the live, yeah. If me not get no likes, me I come off and go about my business. Like up the live and give me. Me can't sit down and me not get no likes. I want to send the question and me go and ask him. Like up the Planka live. Me not see no, I know me not see the like button and move. Me can have 1,900 and no likes no there. I'm not too thank you.
Yeah, no, man. The light for them. The like up the light.
No, sir, not even know it no move. Yes, press the like button. And we are get it.
I remember people as they tap the screen it like, you know.
Yeah, as you tap the screen it live. Let me call me admin. Like up the live there, please and thanks. That's all me I ask for. Little likings. Me get the likes them yet? No? So Mr. Ragashanti, here what the problem? Hold on now. Me tell me admin to come on the big platform. Hold on there. Like up the live in the meantime and send the question them. Admin, you can come on big platform, please. Immigration question about Trump with Ragashanti, immigration lawyer. I mean, I make a pin Me go send you one number for him admin and make you pin it on the thumbnail where you go put up, yeah? So people can reach out to him, yeah. So Mr. Ragashanti, you know Mr. Trump has won the election in America, right?
Right,
And
right,
he made a lot of promises. One of the main promises that he made was about he's going to deport millions of illegal people in America. Now, what we are
Mm-hmm.
having is a panic attack on persons who are illegal, not just Jamaicans, other Caribbean and other different countries in America. Everybody's like they're getting in a panic mode, afraid. Companies don't want to employ them anymore. Boss afraid and say them now put them job and them life in on the line for workers who don't have any paper. And me and you know say illegal people make up America. Immigrants are the one that build America. The roads, the bridge, the this, the that. And America cannot do without them. Why what I want to ask you as the first question. Mr. Trump stated that on the first day of him being in the presidential house, the White House, he will start a mass deportation of millions of people from America. Can that be done, Mr. Raga Ashanti?
Um, the argument from the people who are in the know in this matter saying that it's easier said than done because logistically to deport millions of people to their respective original country is not something where you just go find them and put them on a plane. It's not that simple. It's going to involve a significant amount of coordination and so forth and things like that. That is the likelihood of him successfully, you know, deporting the amount that he said he will deport, they find that that is going to be a little bit difficult. Additionally, my son in front of me and that I'm on the phone. This is important. Additionally, them said this and that and thing, but until in reality, not them when them say most of the people them who pick the fruits them not there. Most of the people them who work construction and not there whatever. But in reality we have been here before. It happened in Arizona and in New Mexico too and whatever. And when they say them get rid of the people them and think they found out that them can't really function as efficiently as they used to, so them usually quietly draw back. That being said though, we can be certain, we can be very certain that he's going to want to have something on the books that he fulfilled this promise. So is it that 12 million people will be deported? Indications are that it's going to be a little bit difficult to do, but over 4 years, and can end up, if they really apply themselves, they can end up, deporting a few millions. And then the question is, are you going to be in those millions? So even if they deport, 1, 2, 3, 4 million, that is still a lot of people. And it's people who look a certain way they target. There are a lot of undocumented people here who are white, from European countries and Eastern European countries and the like, but those aren't the people that they're targeting. They're targeting people who, look like how we look and things. So you can be sure that he's going to deport a good amount, and if you're undocumented, you certainly don't want to be in that lot.
Okay, so second question. So the High Court judge declined Joe Biden's quest to have illegal persons living in America for
Say undocumented. Say
undocumented, yeah, undocumented residents to file for their significant other. That was declined, and persons were saying Trump start. We all know that Trump is not in government yet. He don't start his term yet. Is it true
January
that
20th.
yes? Is it based on that the judge might be one of Trump supporter allegedly, or you see that Trump in power now why he declined that motion?
In the United States, judges are appointed, federal judges, what they call circuit judges, they're appointed, through the executive, the presidency, and each president usually try to appoint judges that reflect their political philosophy. So judges do indeed fall under, it was a democratically appointed. This judge was appointed by Democrats, or this judge was appointed. Excuse me, I'm on the phone, boys. Um, so the judges, the federal judges, they're either democratically appointed judges or Republican appointed judges. And yes, a lot of them do reflect the philosophy of each party. But what it's supposed to be is that each judge is supposed to adjudicate fairly and balanced, and not, just to go by the facts in each case, and to rule fairly on that, and not go by what the party philosophy is. So sometimes some judges do that, they're fair, and they may make a ruling that, a Republican judge may make a ruling that goes against Republican objectives. A Democrat judge may make a ruling that goes against Democrat objectives. So the whole issue of whether the judge step on whose side, I would encourage people not to focus on that. At the end of the day, just focus on what the ruling is, because irrespective of who the judge support, what the judge lead, once the judge rule, and you have to adhere to the ruling, unless it's appealed and overturned. So the judge made that ruling, and I understand that the department is going to appeal it. I don't know if that is going to be a priority now, given that it's obvious a new administration is coming in January 20th. So we have to see about, but right now, we just have to go by the judge's ruling, and those 500,000 people that the Biden administration had wanted to allow, to file for their spouse if they've been here, if they've been married for 10 years and they're here. And Biden wanted to give 500,000 people, they allow them to apply for their spouse, they fulfill the requirements, and they would have gotten it, up to the amount, 500,000. That is on hold right now.
Thank you so much. Okay, this is a basic one. What if your paperwork is in process?
If your paperwork is in process, you're good. You're good, because in general, once you get your application in, you are safe until the result of your application comes in. But you're generally safe. Some people even travel with that. So much so that once you get your application in, one of the things you can apply for is called advance parole. And that successfully getting that would usually, if you put in an application after 4 or 5 months, you can get that. You can travel while the application is being processed, so that I'm just giving an indication that as far as they're concerned, you're good. You can even travel, even if you had overstayed, and say you got married, and then your application is submitted, and once your application is submitted and you also apply for advance parole, you can travel and come back in. My clients travel and come back in. Even so though, I always tell people, if you have an overstay application, if you don't have to travel when the application is being processed, don't travel. But if you really want to travel because see a mother for 15 years and she's sick or whatever, then you can go ahead and do so. But once your application is in, you are relatively safe pursuant to the conclusion that will be obtained, from the application.
All right, question number 3. Good afternoon, Auntie Dana. I recently came to America. I overstayed on my visa almost a year now. I am now in the process of getting married. My wedding is planned for next year, April. What must I do? Must I do the wedding this year before Trump's take reign, or should I wait? I'm scared because now I am feeling terrified of when he comes into office. I know I did not enter here illegally, but legally. And I know that I overstayed on my visa, but I'm in love and I am getting married. What must I do? Ask Mr. Ragashanti that for me. So this person planning
Okay.
wedding for April and they want to know like how Mr. Trump steps in if they should wait until April to get married or they should bring the date down.
All right. All right. Here is the short answer. That's probably not going to be too short. In general, you want to marry as quick as you can. Once you're married, right? Once you're married, and I'm not gonna use certain talk right now. I can
Yes,
read between the lines.
code.
Yeah, and it sound like what she has said. Another type of something there. So it sound like VR thing done legit already. So it look like she gonna have some evidence for sure. So even if she get married tomorrow, like, no, I'm really there with the money. And we love one another and we used to date so and so and so the evidence yeah, because we've been living together and this and that and that and that. My advice to people is married as quick as you can. If you have a legitimate situation where you can get married and what, do it quick. If you have a man, if you are undocumented and you have a man or woman, preferably if they're a citizen, do it quick o'clock and thing. Explain the urgency to them. Tell them to do this now because the way the money move, it could have started fling up. The other part of this equation, what I want people to appreciate,
I cut the line.
the so-called immigration czar in the Trump thing is a gentleman called Stephen Miller.
Miller, yes.
And he is let me choose my words carefully, but let me tell you, man, this man is very, very enthusiastic and full force in getting out all undocumented people. And Trump gave him full rein. We say, you tell me what you want to do and we will do it. Now, if him go too far, Trump may say, no, that go too far, or whatever the case may be, or whatever they might do, it have to go stand up to, legal pushback. But even the legal pushback people, I don't know if you hear about a thing in Project 2025. They're proposing some administrative changes and things that basically is going to reduce the capacity for resistance to certain moves that the executive, the president and his cabinet will make. So I'm just saying all this to say, we don't know what Stephen Miller will come with. All we know is that there will be deportations. I can tell you that, right? There will be deportation. Keep in mind, people, the last Trump administration, they had a department that their mandate was to check people who already get citizenship to see if them did broke the law and if them did say anything when I go up and deport them. These are people who became naturalized citizens. This is how serious they are, right? And the second time around, he knows the terrain now. He has been very open about, he might come back with a force and that some people never depend on his side. They have to go play a ball and thing and so forth. So we can expect some serious things to come from Mr. Stephen Miller and that for Trump to essentially rubber stamp it and say, go ahead. So my advice to people is marry as her, even if you want to go do and look a simple marriage at City Hall and then do your bossy marriage later, but do the paper, get it done as quick as possible, get your application in, right? I have people working with me now, to work fast, even if you're not doing it with me and you have another lawyer doing it with, you need to get your application in as quick as possible because remember, once your application is in, you are, for the most part protected, from immediate removal from the United States once your application is in.
All right, third question. Good afternoon, Auntie Dana. Jaja, this not look good. I got married in Jamaica and came up to my wife in 2023. I got my social already from I came up. I got my social from I came up and my green card also. The problem I am having, me and my wife fall out. Things weren't going the way I wanted with me and her. I have now moved out and living in a different state. My wife found me and sent me a letter saying that she's reporting me to immigration for them to decline my legal status here in America. Auntie Dana, I was unhappy in the marriage, and she don't understand that. I loved her when I was in Jamaica. I love her honestly. But since I come to America, things is not working out. Things weren't what I expected it to be. Now I have moved on with my life. She is now saying that she is not divorcing me until she sends me back to Jamaica. Ask Ragashanti if she can do me anything because I already have my green card.
All right. I would need to know if his green card is the 2 year conditional green card or it's a 10 year, or if him have a 10 year, because I don't know. If he
She
was
said,
married
she
for
said she
two
him
years
want to know if your green card is 10 year or 2 year.
or the 2 year conditional, right? Because if he was married for more than 2 years when his application was approved, they would have given him the 10 year. But if him never married for up to 2 years, they would have
Him
given
have a
him the
2 year green card. He said he has a 2 year green card. He
all right
married to
then.
an
He
American
will
citizen.
all right then. 90 days before the 2 years is well, let me be careful here. In general, 90 days before the 2 years is up, within that 90 days, he has to send in the appropriate documentation, to
Hold on,
USCIS to
Raga.
have his.
My wife has informed me that she already written immigration about me. And since Mr. Trump, when I got an email from her yesterday, she has sent all my information to tell a lie on me that I scammed her into marriage.
No, 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 no. That is where I, as a lawyer, can go in. I would beat that all the while because, you have people who are vindictive, you have people who are unfair, you have people who, because them are file for you, them feel them have the power over you. And very often these people communicate things to the person who is dependent on them that when nothing goes so. Nothing goes so. And there are ways to get around that. And in fact, he's in a better position now
Raga, hold on,
than
Raga.
somebody.
Hold on a
Hmm?
second. Ragashanti, I did not know that my wife had a video camera in the house when I came up, and every argument that we had, she recorded it and is using it against me. I said and do some things that I don't really want it to reach to immigration office. And this woman is evil. She's a thorn in my neck. She was recording me without my permission. Do I have a case?
Yes, you have a case, and you have to make that case. Now, what you say you do, and what you say you say, and what she said to them, I don't know. But them things that would have flesh out now with your lawyer. But you do have a case. What? Listen, people. Once you're married and you get the conditional status, listen. Once you're married, you file and you get your conditional status. You are positioned. There are provisions in the law that way you can make that argument to defend yourself to keep your thing.
So
And
what?
very often
So what
it
he
is in your best
basically
interest to
said.
be hold on. Very often it is in your best interest to be proactive about it. You don't want the petitioner making all the arguments and you're not responding.
Okay, so what is? Let me read the last part of the question. Because she is white, Raga, she got a white lawyer against me. I am not using the race card here. And they are going very hard at me. She went to
Listen, we're
multiple.
going down. We're going kind of details within thing and I go deeper and deeper
Yeah,
and
so
deeper.
reach
This
out to
is
Raga
something where
Shanti.
yeah,
Reach out to
yeah.
Raga,
You would have
yes.
to send me okay, people, listen, 929
What does it
400 1249. Send me a text. 929 400 1249.
Okay.
929 400 1249. Send me a text. 929 400 1249. I want to hear me. I talk to Auntie Dana now, so don't call me no expect me for answer right away,
Yes,
okay?
yes. All right, the second one. Ask Raga how long we have to be in the States before marriage, the 90-day rule.
How long? Okay, if you come up and you overstay, USCIS have this regulation where you can't apply, for adjust your status. If you apply to adjust your status before 90 days after you come up, they are going to assume that you did come up and you tell them lies, say I come for visit and I really you come up for married, right? But if after 90 days, even 91 days, you put in your stuff, 91 days or any time thereafter, they will not assume that you came up to get married. It's just an arbitrary number. It's their reasonable number to say them giving people 90 days to say you can move from, that's a reasonable time to say somebody meet somebody and decide to get married and things like that after 90 days. Don't, if you come up, if you come up and then 60 days after you put in your application, that is not going to go well for you. You want to wait until after 90 days, Okay.
All right. Secondly, Raga.
Hello?
Hold on, may I read something? I will try read it long, may I try to read out some part of it first.
Yeah, just get the main part. And the people
Yeah,
not
that
send
me I
some
go do, because them a send me some long
do
something.
not send any long epistle.
The person who
like
send me
that,
send me this, not send me no long epistle. Don't
Yeah,
send.
just get, because let me tell you something. USCIS, the immigration authorities, they hate people who come in with long-winded argument. Get to the point.
Yeah, all right. Okay, Raga, I was married to, she tell me what kind of man, but this me not go call it out. I was married to a man who is a serial dash dash, and I had to run for my life. My paperwork isn't finished sorted out yet. What do I do? Because I don't want to have any contact with him. Like him is a serial abuser, and him are the one who put in the papers.
Alright, if the paper put in already and him is a serial abuser and thing like that, this is a potential case for Wawa case and thing, and there are provisions there for that. And yeah, people, from, you have some sort of, if you have a credible explanation about what happened to you and what the person was doing to you, and if you, even more so, if you have evidence to back it up, and things like that, yeah, people who have prevailed in these type of applications on the VAWA. When they're being abused by the person who filed for them. But there's a way around that.
All right. Secondly, Ragashanti, I paid a lady some money to marry to me. After she took 3/4 of my money, she doesn't want to do it anymore. I cannot get in contact with her. When I find her mother, she's telling me to go to the police station and report her daughter to the police, but I am afraid to go right now. How do I go about getting back my money from this woman?
Alright, that is that you can, under U visa there's some provisions to pursue that. But it has some requirements there that can be a little tricky where sometimes depending on what remember each client set of facts is unique to each situation, right? So somebody may explain something to me and we say, all right, boom, this is what it entails, there's a way forward. Somebody else may explain, a different person may explain something to them and I may be like, why, listen to me, you have to call it a loss, because anyway you go expose yourself, so them now go fulfill their requirement, to help me here to get the U visa and things like that, because a U visa requires you to get the cooperation of law enforcement, and for law enforcement to say, yeah, so and so and so and so. What they don't explain to you is that if the case is not sexy enough for law enforcement, for them look good or something significant, or this is somebody significant, they might get and just want to look a small person. Law enforcement generally not interested in that thing. And there's a document that law enforcement has to produce in order for help of our case. And, very often if they're not willing to do that, and your case by itself is not as strong.
Okay.
It makes sense you go there, sometimes you just have a card it at there and say, boy, them broke your foot this or anything. But you have to assess the facts, so you have to see if you can go forward, because you have quite a few people, they're abused, somebody applied for them, married them and applied for them or whatever, and them go in and them get through, them get them green card.
Alright, so we just answer a question like this. Raga number is 929-400-1249. 929, write it down. 400-1249. Alright? Any immigrant.
And Donna remind them about, I'm having a, when non-Jamaicans link me, Donna, no problem. If it's a 2-minute question, boom, I answer it. I'm reasonable. If it's consultation, the people them pay them $120 right away. The Jamaican people, them have problem with them. Them just want to talk to me for hours. Them want to talk
no,
to me
I tell them already
without paying consultation. And some of them even tell me, say them go to other lawyer and pay them consultation, but them just want Raga to chat to them.
no free service. No.
They don't understand that when I don't even one person that do it, a whole
heap of them want free talking.
Imagine now, if me did it, I give whole heap of people talk. Me can't feed my feet to them when they are in front of me. I make up be a nice family. Yeah,
no.
And I work, right?
And a chicken a jerk.
3 years I go to school for and $300,000 I'm pay feet. You understand? Right? So I don't want to come do that something that we are. We don't have a problem of pay other people, but on our own kind, we don't feel like so we're not supposed to pay.
Anybody else, they see them talk about it. I'll let you write a message.
Just tell me this, no, the Raga, man, long me have listened to you. What you have listened to me long time, I have to do with you not get legal services from me. And disrespect, you not disrespect me, want to do them something there, alright?
True. I don't they love tell about them I follow you a long time and no, if Raga set it up when them have to pay before they talk to you. When they go embassy go pay for visa, them have to pay before they go. If they don't get them visa, they not get back their money. Set it up.
When they go in a Macy's, them spend their money on them nice restaurant, them spend their money, but someone when them are deal with them, the person from them country and thing, them are each and a box shuffle.
True. Like up the life, guys, get anti some life. Ask Raga if someone get married now, would they have a chance? Yes, because it not come in effect yet. And you have to put in your papers before. No, sir?
No, but even after January 20th, when he's sworn in and whatever, you still can file. Remember, him never cut it out, Him never cut it out totally, Right? Him just have to get stricter with it and all these things. And if you are undocumented, then you're in a more trouble now than you were before. Because, let me give you an example. Alright. And then I'm going to use up the code again here.
Yeah.
Alright. They have a provision in Texas where basically with the abortion issue, them have people, there's provision in the law for people, watch people and say who are this and that, and then they report them and then they will get the money for that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Apparently there is some murmurings that they want to implement that now with immigration. It already exists, but they want to put some more weight to it. So I'll say to people, as you figure out what you are going to do and things like that. I know so already I do it, but just impress upon it to make sure so take care even more now is that now be careful when I say to people and want to make no business or no situation and them something there, alright?
Alright.
One other thing, Donna, one other thing. This is very important because this come up from several people. Listen up. I'm going to talk about permanent residents and green card holders because some of them do Brother, because someone don't understand. So listen to me. Green card holders, permanent residents, cannot file for their siblings, them brother and them sister. Right? Green card holders, permanent residents, cannot file for their parents. Only U.S. citizens can file for them brother and them sister or them parents. Green card holders can only file for their spouse, them husband or them wife, and their unmarried children. Green card holders cannot file for their married children. Only U.S. citizens can file for their married children. All right, good. Yes, go on, that.
All right, somebody says she wants to know if she's safe because she filed CRT. Can you ask her if I do my fingerprint from a T something another status? If she, let me make you listen.
The T status. I do my fingerprint for the T status 2 weeks ago, but I don't know if I'm safe.
She wants to know, she said, I don't know what is the T status. She said she wants to know, she do a fingerprint for the T status, so she want to know if she's safe.
All right, listen up. Safe, remember now, safe is relative. We have to use that word carefully. But what she's saying is that her application is in process. Once your application is in process, you are much safer than somebody who has not applied for anything.
Oh.
When you focus on your own blessings, God will open your eyes.
So I'm saying that what your application is already in process.
She's safer.
So you are safer.
She's safer.
Okay,
Right.
Raga. Auntie Dana was what are we on her mix me up? Like up the live there, please. You so you can call for me. You hear them now? Auntie Dana was talking on her live that she was listening to a program this morning. And the man was saying that illegal people soon cannot travel from state to state on the plane. Is that going to be true?
As far as I know, there are any provisions along those lines where, such is the case. All right. Is it possible that they can have something in place where them have...
Let me go in, catch you the thing at the knife on top of the dick. Hold on, Raga. The knife the on the thing so they now hear me good.
Right. We can't talk now?
No, me I go inside. And me can't hear clearly. Me I go in and go in my kitchen.
Okay.
In here.
And that is a place with which you're quite familiar,
So
the
go
kitchen.
upstairs.
Because I used to cook.
Yeah. Alright, let me get a comfortable little seat, yeah, so.
Where you there for your good bed? The nice bed that we have?
No. Me not there for my good bed now. Me down in my good nice kitchen.
No, Mama, see you show them the bed. I say, wow, I stand and sleep nice, you know. They look proper.
Alright, me there in my good nice kitchen, well relaxed now. So the zinc did I make nice, yes. So
Okay, so regarding the traveling thing from state to state, right now there is nothing like that in place, and I did not hear of any plans to put anything like that in place. But I must say though that this administration is coming in with a very different dispensation, and we expect them to be doing some innovative, unprecedented things, some stuff that they have never done before, and there is a possibility where if they want to, they can have a situation in place where, them have access to people who came in and them don't have any record of them leaving. And if those people are traveling in the United States, they can have someone say, oh, this name is red flag because it come out of a database there and thing. And this is just me using my imagination or whatever. So if them really want to do something like that, they could. But right now, I'm not aware of any plans on their part to do anything like that. And again, people do remember, we don't know what they're going to come with yet because they're not even in government yet. It's January 20th he's going to be sworn in. And right now, them are planning to put together what them are going to do and how them are going to do it. So from January 20th, we're gonna start hear about them something, you know. So I wouldn't have people fret too much. And the other thing is, to the best of my knowledge, don't quote me on this. This is just me guessing. I'm speculating. When I say me, I do me
Speculate.
From what I understand is they seem to be more concerned with the people who came over the border, who crossed the border and so and so happened to them in them country and things like that. They seem to be more concerned with those people than with the people who did fly in and they a long time at work or something like still undocumented and things like that. They seem less, concerned with that. But even that, though, you have to take that with a grain of salt because, as many are aware, ICE has been, however which way they choose to go about it. They have been, when he was in power before, they found ways to identify people who had overstayed and were here for a while, and they deported quite a few of those people during their time,
Okay, somebody on the live named Claudette Solomon said, ask if you are a permanent resident and you're in jail, will they deport you? Will they send you home?
Then I'm going to ask you a little favor here. I know Vex here. When we do this, no call on nobody name here.
Oh, upon the live, so right,
upon the live, so right. Oh, upon the live. All right. But still no call on name here.
All right.
And not just with me, with my thing. I'm not tell you what to do your thing.
All right, true. Sorry about that.
Yeah, right.
For the person right to find public.
Yeah, my primary objective is to protect. Even potential, even if you're not the business with me, I am obligated by law to protect the people themselves.
Yes, all right. Next time, you message me privately. Sister, if that green card, hold on.
No, them can't force on them doing that. But when you are telling me,
No call it out, yes.
Yeah, no call out them name. So what you say now about jail?
If there's a permanent resident and you go to jail, then can't send you home.
Yes, but in general, is it something that I come look for you and for say, for say, oh, this and that happened to you and boom, we need to send you home? No. However, if you're a permanent resident, a green card holder, depending on the crime you committed, and the standard is a crime of moral turpitude, right? So it's a crime on a certain level. They can, particularly if the prosecutor is out for you, they can request that you be deported. And that has happened on many occasions. So if you do something serious now, the prosecutor, like where you're going with and whatever, the prosecutor can say, you don't deserve it there and whatever, and make an appeal and initiate the process to have you deported. Because you would not have certain protection that a citizen have in terms of due process.
And it have to be certain heinous crime. It have to be something serious.
Right.
No little fenke.
Yeah, I don't like a misdemeanor or whatever. And very often it's context dependent because you can have a big fight where you go mash up somebody with a baseball bat, but they may be like, no, the person did attack them child, so he mash up them, so them are going to say, nah, we have to still hold him accountable, but I told them the man did not trouble him daughter or him son, so them usually engage in some of them discretion. But again, you do have people out there, they don't care what it is, as long as you come from another country and whatever, look at the draw. So you may get somebody who don't like you and say, them need to go, Because let me tell you something, every time when a man did win the last time, a whole heap of people run out and them start talk up the things and then get loud and talk up, put it on their mind and free up. You can't tell us it's going to happen again.
Okay. Guys, please do not write no information about yourself on the public live. Because see there, message me on the number and in there the whole day soon come off. Or call him on his phone number, give out your number, Raga. I work in the pan.
400-1249, 929, 400-1249, 929-400-1249. Text me.
Yes.
Right? I have a thing me like to deal with people directly. That way I can protect them information and thing and
All right.
some of that. So text me. Okay.
All right. This one now. Good afternoon, Myra. Yeah, my Raga. Good afternoon, Mr. Raga. My daughter is a known shoplifter here in America. She is she is not legal here. She got her work permit and her social, but she keeps stealing. Now she is locked up. And when she called and we went and visit her this morning, she's telling us that one of the police officers told her that they are going to see to it that she goes back to Jamaica because she's a repeated offender. Is it legal for a police officer to tell my daughter that I know that what she does is wrong? But she is crying this morning and said they told her that they are going to see to it that she goes home back.
Um, I would encourage, this is the mother, right, asking this, right?
Yes, she's her
I
daughter
would
tell her this
encourage her,
morning since Trump when she go look for her daughter.
right. I would encourage her not to worry if it is legal for the police to do that. Well, I will say this much. It is not illegal for the police to do it. You know, so the police, put it this way, the police never do nothing wrong when him say that. However, it is true though that if she's a repeat offender, a lot of these things is just left up to the discretion of the prosecutor, you know. God, the police can't say what him wants to say, you know. The police cannot initiate a process to execute this order unless Trump come in with something where they can. But most of the times they can't. It has to go through a prosecutor. It has to go through a lawyer. It has to go through whichever person from the judiciary is dealing with the case. Now, if you watch Law and Order, you see the police do the investigation and then them go to the district attorney and them tell the district or the ADA, the assistant district attorney, and them tell them what we want you to do in a court, do this and that, charge a person. And the ADA may say, no, you don't have enough evidence, or no, I can't bother with this because the mayor not go, or no, whatever. So it's always up to the lawyer who is a prosecutor representing the government in this instance. But yes, if the person, you know, is a green card holder or the person overstay and there and whatever and is indeed a repeat shoplifting offender, they do have the authority and the latitude to initiate that process to have the permit. I know of situations where people go in there and bad up the prosecutor them and bad up police and things, and just because them vex with them and whatever, them get them deported.
Whoa. So like them literally go in a jail and bad up the police, them also.
Yeah, and about them up and whatever, and them just put themselves in a position where the people them say, I can't believe it they are undocumented and you're bright enough come here and bad me up and tell me all that. No, we need to get rid of that one here. We need to get rid of that one here. I saw the thing, I saw it usually work.
Alright, so I don't know what this means. Let me read it. Just guys, on call Raga, I give out him number and I've been going to pin it on the phone. And Raga, give your number one more time. Somebody pin it in the comments for me, please. Go again.
929-400-1249. 929-400-1249. Let me go on it two more times. 929-400-1249. 929-400-1249. Text me.
All right.
Text me.
Text and he will reply to them. So this one said, I don't know what this means. Then I asked Raga to talk a little bit more about an anchor babies. I read an article that said babies born on U.S. soil to illegal immigrants will no longer get citizenship. What about people on legit visitors visa if they have a baby will the baby get citizenship?
All right. Right now, that has not changed. But Mr. Man there, he was very, 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 very vocal and open about targeting those instances. Not only that, they want to do away with this thing where, you know, you get automatic citizenship. You know, if you're born on U.S. soil, they want to do away with that. So, you know, will he succeed in doing so? I don't know. But he has been very open and vocal. Stephen Miller, again, the immigration czar in the Trump administration, and others, they have been very open about eliminating that and changing the immigration system from one that is family based, because right now U.S. immigration law is grounded in keeping the family together, the immediate family together. They want to change it to a merit based system where it's irrelevant who you are, whatever it's. What are you qualified to do? What about you? What about you is of value what the country can benefit to have you there? That is what they want to change it.
Okay. But right now, Donald Trump did say that in him speech. So we're gonna make it mandatory that you can't come have baby as an illegal immigrant and your baby
You're
gets
right,
free.
but it's going to be difficult for him because they would have to come up with a dramatic and radically different interpretation of the provision that exists in the U.S. Constitution. So this is not something where, you know, just somebody feel like to have it, they just say, all right, that's how the thing I'm gonna run. This is embedded in the United States Constitution. You know, that if you're born on U.S. soil, you're automatically a U.S. Citizen. So if them have to change that, them have to go through all of the hoops, which are quite formidable, to get 2/3 of the Congress, the House of Representatives and the Senate and so forth, and things like that and whatever. It's not a very easy thing to change the Constitution. So, but listen to me, if there's anything we all can agree with is that do not underestimate this man. Look how many times people say that man, no, this not gonna happen. Him not gonna able to do it and improve
And
them
him
wrong.
now
Wrong,
go
I'm
win.
right, Dana.
And they
Wrong,
say
I'm right. Yeah,
them
right. So
say
I'm gonna
him
put nothing past him.
them say him now go win and him now go win and all kind of touring. And he come
Right?
through, that's him win.
And he
And
come right. Then they said that when him did win the first time and him win. And after this little thing going on with J6, January 6, them say, "Me never see this again." And you see, only if it comes to. So, me not put nothing past that man here.
all right, the
Nothing
last
past that
question,
man.
because I have to reach out to Raga to get no answer. Last question, please not send any more. I can't pull every question. I am here in America with my wife, but because we are living in separate place, when my filing come through, they interviewed us differently. Was coming through, they interviewed us differently. Only to be old, they turned down my application and said my marriage is not legit. I had an immigration lawyer who is fighting my appeal to make them know that my marriage is legit, but he is telling me that it's gonna take a while and the new system that is going on now will soon change, will come into play. He don't think I should continue fighting because I have spent so much money. Reach to Raga. So how you mean them turn you
All
down
right.
and say enough if the in marriage not legit?
All right. One of the requirements for to prove that your marriage was not done to circumvent the laws of the United States of America is that you must be living together.
Yes.
Now, what they don't tell you is that they know that these are modern times, and even though that is a requirement, that you will have situations where, people have to live separately because bills have to pay and you have to go to work there. There are people in the military, there are people who drive truck, there are people who their jobs send them all about and things. So the second part of that is, it is better if you can show someone to live together. But if you have a credible situation where you don't live together because you work over your son, you work over your son, you have to live your son, pay them your son. All you have to do is to package that explanation to them. So often, people, they are in legitimate situations, but them don't explain themselves properly, or them don't have a lawyer to explain it, to write it up the right way for them. That are the first part. And the second part now is they deal with these cases, hundreds of these cases every day, thousands every day. So what they really respond to is evidence. And sometimes people have all these evidence for them don't even know for access and thing. I have worked with clients where I say, so what evidence you have to say on the deadline? No, we're just there and thing like that. Text messages and thing, save them something there. I have clients who them go Disney World together, then go hotel together, then go this and that together. I say, what them something there, boom, 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 boom. Give me the booking for that hotel. Let's find that. Go in your email, go find that, and them look away there and you pull things together. Sometimes people go certain places where them think, it's irrelevant or insignificant. And then if you can get documentation that they were at that place together at a certain date, and I can put a timeline together and a chronological and tell a story to that immigration officer, make them say, no, but the two of them did really the over there so 6 months before. And even though we don't have nothing in that 6 months, 6 months later, 7 months later, see the two of them together, whatever. So, boom, them can see a trajectory, say, this is credible, like them really there, but for a while and things. So, them about approve you and send your thing through.
True.
So it's all about knowing how to make the case and how to explain yourself and how to present the thing. You want when that immigration officer read your thing, they must look on it and say, say, Enyom never approved that person because Enyom supervisor come draw me about it. I back it in because them provide this and that and them explain this and that and that. But if you don't provide it to them just have to go to the next person because them under pressure and them are deal with hundreds of them things. Yeah. So you have to put it there and force them to respond to it. The burden is always on the applicant. The burden is on you to put the information there that will compel them to assess that information in your favor.
All right, Mr. Ragashanti. Thank you so much, guys. The number for Raga, 429-400. Tell them, Raga.
No, 929.
929, yes.
Yeah, 400,
Yeah.
1249. Now, before I give them the number, listen to me now, I just want you to know, remember, me I have a little clash I go on, I have big party in January, your winter wonderland party in January. Let me tell the people, listen, Auntie Dana talk, she nervous, because we have a little stir-fry dance class where we're going to do our birthday party, winter wonderland party in January, Ragashanti and Auntie Dana, I will do a little stir-fry dance class, something, and she, all here she talk, she nervous, because she knows.
Normally at Jamaica, now I go practice.
Yeah, practice. I'm a friend, Auntie Dana, I'm a friend, I'm a charge, Auntie or whatever, but when that dance that go on, me a dance to win, and when we're done, we up our friend again or whatever,
yes.
We dance to win. The people, when me tell on New York and surrounding and everybody who are flying, it's about Auntie Dana Winter Wonderland birthday party, January 2025. A problem. And of course, it will be good music and we just have fun. Like with the Planka family as usual. I'm already telling my Tam farmers them say, we have to come that one day and thing and whatever. So I'm looking forward to that. Just have a wonderful time. People of Jamaica and descent Jamaica, that's foreign people beyond because, a Planka something. So it's a global thing. Yes, it's the nucleus is Jamaica, but indeed it is global all over. So I'm looking forward to celebrating that positive atmosphere that has long been characteristic of the Planka family. I'm so looking forward to that Auntie Donna's Winter Wonderland birthday party. January 2025. People are November night just around the corner. Okay? Keep that in mind.
Araga, Miss Lotian have a big fat fish fry the 16th of November down on Merrick Boulevard. Only $30 for the ticket and up. Depends on what you take. So we are asked for the support. Someone you get a shout out there for me. The 13th, the 16th.
Man, I'm a big friend, I'm a big friend,
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I'm a big friend, man. All right, Joey said the 16th of November.
Yeah,
Chef
Miss
Lothian,
Lothian
right? This
Fish
up on
Fry on
America.
a second year anniversary on Merritt Boulevard.
All right, and people, if you don't know where the, all I know who over our side there in Queens, you don't know Springfield Boulevard, right? So they're pretty much close to the intersection of Springfield Boulevard with the Bank of America there, right? And you just walk up from the Bank of America for an America right there. So you know that big intersection, there was stop and shop there and all them place there or whatever. And you just walk up and you're in a restaurant, the right, this after you pass the barber shop and thing, all right? So on the 16th of November, proper good up fish fry and things. So on the roll out for that. I'm a friend, a pleasant, nice, sweet woman and things. She's blessed and think I shall good somebody and sitting down, alright? So when I just come out for that fish fry and things. Chef Lothian and pan them case, proper thing. Alright?
Alright, bless up, big up Raga. Thank
Yeah,
you.
man. And again, so the number again, people text me. Right? And people, I realize this is for a lot of you, this is understandably a somewhat uncomfortable, insecure time right now, and we are about to transition into a space where, understandably many of you are worried, of what will happen to you. I will help you as much as I can. Right? In the meantime, if you have ways in which you can start to talk to who you need to talk to, speak to who you need to speak to say how them can help you and all these things and so forth, do so. If you're going to talk to somebody about you and them doing so and so in order to move forward, I would encourage you to also remind them that this is not a one-off thing, that it's a process, because you have to put the application together, you have to submit the application, the I-130 phase, it's going to take about a year or so, and even after it going, do remember, particularly if it's marriage based, you have the 2-year conditional status. So the person that will hold it with you through that 2 years. So the whole process, leading up to you getting a 10-year green card, you're looking at around, 3 to 4 years. All right. So you don't want a situation where you have somebody or something and then them want to go so and then, them want to go over so, go do so and so without knowing that them have to stay and hold it with you. So when you not check out and look at thing then, talk about the part then too, all right? About the part that one, just say, listen, we need you to do this, we're going to do this together, but remember, now it's going to take a few years, to get it right through. But the actual application part, in terms of getting the first stage where you get your 2-year conditional green card status, that on average, if it's marriage, a U.S. citizen, you're looking at about a year and a half at the most. Okay? And again, the number is 929 400-1249. Send me a text, 929-400-1249, 929-400-1249, 929-400-1249. And my son, one of my son wants to say hi. Say hi, Planka Nation.
Hi, Blancanisha.
You gotta speak louder, more confident. Okay, listen, you gotta speak louder, more confident. Now say, hello, Planka Nation.
Hello, Blancanisha.
No, stop it laughing, man. Come on, say it again. Say, hello, Planka Nation.
Hello, Blancanisha.
Planka Nation.
Blancanisha.
And say, hello, Auntie Donna.
Hello, Auntie Donna.
Hi, what's your name?
King.
Hi, King.
Right.
Hello, King. Welcome to Planka Shop. Daddy is a good man.
Right. Tell her who gave your name.
Father.
Who gave you your name?
Father.
Because you're a king.
Amen.
Right. Tell them your middle name. What is the middle name?
Jashanti.
Jashanti. That's a nice name. King Jashanti.
KJ.
What we call you? KJ. And you're bright. Tell them how much you get for your 3 test them, your exam where you do recently. How much you get?
93, 100,
93.
Wow.
100.
He's an honor student.
Zion, come here. Zion and Jide, come here. Auntie Dana, just indulge me for a second.
Yes,
Zion,
yes.
come here. All right. See my other son here now. And
Zion.
tell him your name.
Me like Zion name.
Zion Kingsley Store.
Wait, tell him your name.
My name is Zion Kingsley Store.
Okay. And what happened recently with you in school? Eh? Come on, talk up. On a roll, what happened, don't it?
That and that I won the multiplication madness.
Wow.
That's right. And you know on the honor roll. Say hello, Auntie Donna.
Hello, Auntie Donna.
Hi, what's his name? Zion. Hi, Zion.
Today we all know you are so.
Okay, all right. The last one now, Auntie Donna. Come.
I think I 2 or 3.
Come, Judy. Come. I'm serious. Stand up. Hey, come on, look firm up now. Okay.
Hi, Judy.
Say hello, Plank Nation.
Hello, Plank Nation.
Hi, good afternoon.
Hello, Auntie Donna.
Hello, Auntie Donna.
Hi. Congratulations to all of you guys.
Wait. Tell Auntie Donna how you did on your exams. What was your grade on your exam?
I got an A plus.
An A
Wow.
plus. What's the score? What was the score?
100%.
100%.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Say thank you. No, thank you. Say thank you, Auntie Donna.
Thank you, Auntie Donna.
I'll continue to strive for excellence.
You heard that?
Yes.
She said continue to strive for excellence, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Big up yourself, Raga. Good job, man.
You see?
Yes.
No, I hear what one. You know, I want to big up them mother too, you know, them mothers, you know, because I have 3 kids with 2 mothers. And when I tell you, say,
Yes.
I tell people here, say, why me just thankful, say, you know, the mothers, them, you know, them are the type of mothers that will just do anything for them picnic. You know,
Yes.
I'm just glad so I don't have to worry about that because, you know, me are the disciplinarian and the one who, you know, who out there do so and thing and, you know, pay the bills and all that stuff. But if you just know, say, I have some solid woman and would
Yes.
and things, so anytime people are give me credit, you know, I do yes, and I mean, alone, the mother them to hold it with them and you know, and
Yes.
hold with them and make sure so them do them schoolwork and give them love and security and thing, you know, so big up Zion mother, you know, and big up KG and Jide mother too and thing, and big up all of the mothers them out there who now we aspiring and I make sure say when the picking them are rise and shine up in this, you know, particularly when certain things are happen. We come here for have fun and enjoy ourselves, but we're not coming here for waste time and gaze it out either, alright?
Amen.
Yeah. Too much people before we struggle and dead for this what we have here for we come here and not come waste this. Right? We can't waste this, right? No people dead for we reach us.
Amen.
You understand? So we have to make use of it. Still have to look for fun, buy a look cake from Auntie Dana and then lick the lick them want to do it and all and sit there, whatever. But don't waste sparring. Ragashanti said that. Don't waste sparring. Alright. And don't struggle with them and don't have to do for them rise up in this. Alright?
Yes. Alright. Bless up. And guys, we want big up Shensia and Ramesh. You know, Mr. Ramesh and Shensia keep a birthday party for the conjoined twins. And I feel so good for see. I never know how to share the video. But I want to say big up Ramesh because when they do not know, I want to tell life and him want to bash him. And him never do this to clout. I know say him never even did post it, and people post it up. So big up Ramesh and Shensia. That is so nice. Them keep a nice little birthday party for the conjoined twin. I call it twins. Twins. You know? So big up my manager, big up Shensia, that is so nice. Yeah, big up, wanna write it up. Big up Ramesh, big up, and go over upon him live, go big him up. Tell him say Auntie Dana sending him over there. When him do live over TikTok. I think him good at live now, I don't know. But go over there and big him up for him good work when him do. Don't scatter roses when people gone. Give them to him while I'm alive. So big up Ramesh, Mama P, I know you're there on the live. Because live no miss Mama P. Big up your son, big up Shensia. Continue to strive for excellence and continue to bless up. So when you go up on him TikTok, follow him, page and big up Romisha and Shensia. Wanna have a beautiful day. Thank you so much, Raga. I have some business to do. I have to go driving in the rain. And what the terrible when the rain fall from me come. So I have to do some little things, I have to make some phone call. Big up Ramesh, follow him page and say Auntie Dana send you know. Alright? Bless upon yourself. See you guys later. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Dana Marie Go page right here on YouTube or the Planka Boss, which is my next page. Like up the live, big up on yourself. Peace out. Go over there, go right, big up Ramesh. Alright? Bye. Love you. Tina.